Alright, we're going to talk about ratios. This is ratios part 8. I want you to take a look at these three ratios. You have 1/2 here, you have 2/4 here, we have 3/6 here. Now 4 divided by 2 is going to be 2, so this is going to be 1/2 here. You reduce this. Okay, you're going to divide both of these by 2, and you get it. 2/4 will become 1/2 if you divide both these numbers by 2. If you divide both these numbers by 3, this becomes 1/2. But here is something very interesting. If you add the 1, the 2, and the 3 here, and you add the 2 and the 4 and the 6 here, you'll get 6/12, which of course becomes 1/2. Isn't that neat? Same thing down here. You have 6/12 and 3/6 and 2/4, and I'm sure by now you figured out that all of these are really 1/2. Well, if you subtract 3 and 2, which 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, in case anybody doesn't know that, 3 plus 2 is 5. You subtract 5 from 6, you'll get 1. 6 and 4 are 10, and you subtract 10 from 12, you'll get 2, and therefore you have 1/2. This kind of starts introducing you to number series, which we're going to cover in greater detail in a future video. And I think you know what future video we're talking about here, and if you don't, then you should have been paying attention to what I've been telling you in the Euclid books. Euclid Book 5, I have been leading up to the Greek letter sigma, which has something to do with number sequences and number series. And I'll explain that in greater detail in a future video. Stay tuned.